Hi, hello, welcome to the Google Classroom. So, in our last class we studied the set chapter. In that part, number system, we complete all the chapters. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the one of the new chapter in algebra, and this is also last chapter in algebra, that is linear equation in one variable. So, if you complete this chapter, so we can complete the portions of algebra and number system. So in algebra, this is the last chapter according to your new syllabus. So what is meant by a linear equation in one variable? So linear equation in one variable means ax plus b is equal to 0. ax plus b. So a and b are numbers and x are variable. Suppose throughout the equation, linear equation, it should be a one variable. For example, here I am considering example. Check 20 is equal to, you can write, no, if you are not right, okay, problem. 20 is equal to 6 plus 2x. Check the throughout equation. Throughout equation, only one variable is there. Either maybe any letter of the alphabetic letter, no problem. Check throughout the equation, only one variable is there. Here in this equation, x is there. X is there. So look at the power of the equation. Look at the power of the equation. The power is equal to 1. So an algebraic expression contains one variable with equal degree, that is equal to 1. That power should be equal to 1. So this is an algebraic expression. Only one variable is there. The power is highest degree is 1. Then only you can say linear equation in one variable. Suppose if I am going to solve this type of linear equation in one variable, linear equation means we will get only one solution. Only one solution. If you solve any linear equation, so you are getting only one solution. Let us try. So 20 is there, plus 20 plus 6 plus 2x. We want to solve the x value here. Solve. So you can keep this 2x as it is. Plus 6 you can shift to this side. So this is called LHS part, this is called RHS. Any term you can shift from RHS to LHS or LHS to RHS. The plus will become minus, that minus will become plus. So here plus 6 is there. This plus 6 you can shift to LHS. Plus 20 already is there. Plus 6 you can shift, it will become minus 6. Then 2x is equal to, in 26 will goes means 14. X is equal to 14 by 2. 2 1s are, 2 7s are. What is the value of the x? That is 7. So you will get only one solution. Try, you can try next problem also. So next problem, 15 plus x is equal to 5x plus 3. 15 plus x is equal to 5x plus 3. Both the side are algebraic expressions are there. Don't worry. You can check the throughout the equation. X is the only variable. So here there is no change there given in the variable. Here also x, here also x. Look at the power. This is also 1, this is also 1. So power are equal to 1 or degree are equal to 1. Then we can easily say this is also belongs to linear equations in one variable. So how to solve this type of equation? Please come. So here you can shift variables on one side, numbers on another side. Here plus 15 is there. Plus 3 you can shift to this side, it will become minus 3. Plus 6 you can shift to that side. Here already 5x is there. Plus 6 if you shift RHS side means it will become minus x. In 5x, x will goes means 4x. 15, 3 will goes means 12. X is equal to 12. This 4 will come in the denominator's place. 4 1s are, 4 3s are. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Next problem. 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 6 is equal to minus 7. So they are given in fraction. How to solve this type of problem? You are feeling, oh, it is very tough problem. No, it is not a tough problem at all. If you concentrate to solve the problem, then you can try 2 or 3 times in home. Then it will also easy for you. Because nothing is there. Here nothing is there means what is there? 1 is denominator. Just you cross multiply. Cross multiply. 1 into multiply, it will get 3x plus 2. Cross multiplication is equal to minus 7, put in the bracket, x minus 6. X minus 6. So 3x plus 2. Here while you are multiplying a number with an algebraic expression, please consider the sign multiplication also. If you are mistake doing in sign multiplication, the whole problem will wrong. So minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, 7 into x, 7x, minus into minus plus multiplication, 7 6 are 42, 7 6 are 42. Then you can shift side to this side, minus 7x you can shift to this side. What happened? 3x is there, no? Minus 7 by 3. Minus 7x you can shift this side, plus 7x, plus 2 you can shift to that side, minus 2. So what happened? 3x plus 7x, 10x, 42, 2 will go means 40, x is equal to 40 divided by 10, 10 ones are 10 fours are. What is the value of x? 4. So like that, you can solve any linear equation, you will get only one solution. Next problem, 3 into b minus 4 is equal to 2 into 4 minus b. Here the variable is b. We want to find out the b value. So first you have to multiply 3 into inside the bracket. Here plus sign is there. Plus into plus, plus 3 into b, 3b, plus into minus, minus 3 4s are 12. Okay, this LHS part is over. Next we have to do for RHS part. Here plus, plus into plus, plus 2 4s are 8, plus into minus, minus 2 into b, 2b. Now next we can shift the variables on one side. Here plus 3b is there, minus 2b you can shift to this side. What happened? Plus 2b. This you can shift to this side. Minus 12 you can shift to that side. 8 plus 12. This minus will become plus. Now 3b plus 2b, 5b. 8 plus 12, 20. b is equal to 20. This 5 will come under the denominator. 5 ones are, 5 fours are. b is equal to 4. So, it's like this, you can simplify the problem. In the next problem, x plus 2 divided by 9 is equal to x plus 4 divided by 11. So here also like this, if they are given, first cross multiplication. If they are given in fractions, you can cross multiply. So 11 into x plus 2, 9 into x plus 4. So then after that same step, here also follow same step, here also follow. First you multiply with 11 with all the inside the bracket for both LHS and RHS. So here plus is there, plus 11 into x, 11x, plus into plus plus, 11 2s are 22. 9 into x, 9x, 9 4s are 36. You can shift 9x to this side, 11x minus 9x because it is plus inside. If you shift to LHS side, it will become minus. This plus 22 you can shift to that side, minus 22. In 11x, 9x will goes means 2x. 36, 12 will goes means 14. X is equal to 14 by 2. 2 1s are 2 7s are. What is the value of x? 7. X value is 7. Next problem. 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 12 plus 4 into x minus 1. If they are given problem like this, means bracket outside number is there, means first you have to multiply it with that number inside the bracket. So let us LHS we have to complete. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 1, 3, because both are in plus sign. Yes, 12 is there, you can write 12 as it is, plus. Now you can multiply. 4 into x, 4x, plus into minus, minus, 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 1, 4. So 3x plus 3 you can write, 4x you can write. In 12, 4 will goes means plus 8. Plus 12 minus 4 will goes means plus 8. Plus 3x we can shift to that side, that will become plus 8, it will shift to this side, minus 8 plus 3. 4x plus 3x side, that go to that side means minus 3x. In minus 8 plus 3 will goes means minus 8 and plus 3, minus 5. Because in front of bigger number minus sign is there. So that's why I am putting minus sign here. 4x, x will go, 3x will goes means x. That is x value is minus 5. So dear students, first we have to know, check the problem. What to do, whether they are given in fraction form, whether they are given in multiplication form, whether given directly. So sometimes they are given indirectly. Then you can convert into linear equation form. Then you can easily solve the problems. Next problem. A plus 5 divided by 6 minus a plus 1 divided by 9 is equal to a plus 3, 4. So RHS side, there is no simplification. First we have to do LHS side. So here 6 and 9 is there. You know, so in the rational number chapter, how to take LCM for the denominators. So let us try here also. First you take LCM for the denominators of LHS. LCM for 6 and 9. 6 and 9 will goes by 3. 2s are 3s are 1 1. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. LCM is what? 18. LCM is 19. Then you can consider a plus 5 divided by 6. So if you want LCM denominator in 18, what should be multiplied here? 3 for both. 6 3s are 18. Then you can put minus sign. A plus 1 divided by 9. So if you want 18 means what should be multiplied for 9 to get 18? 2 is equal to a plus 3 divided by 4. So multiply now. 3 into a plus 5. 6 3s are 18 minus 2 into a plus 1, 18 is equal to a plus 3 divided by 4. So 3 into a, 3 into a, next 18 and 18 same. First you simplify. 3 into a, 3a, 3 into 5, 15 divided by 18 minus 2 into a, 2a, 2 into 1 plus 2 divided by 18 is equal to a plus 3 divided by 4. Next. So here 18 and 18 are same denominators. So you can consider as 18. Then you can take the numerators. Here the numerator is 3a plus 15. Here minus 2a plus 2 is equal to a plus 3 by 4. So in 3a, 2a will go means 8 plus 15 plus 2 plus 17 divided by 18. In 3a, 2a will go means 8 plus 15 plus 2 plus 17 is equal to a plus 3 then 4. Now after getting this step, you should cross multiply. Cross multiply. That is 4 into a 4 into a plus 17, 18 into a plus 3, 18 into a plus 3. So what you will get here? So here minus 2, sorry, minus 2, this is also minus 2, so here 13, here also 13, because here minus sign is there, no? Next 4 into a, 4a, 4 into 13, 52, 18 into a, 18a, 18 3 is a 54. You can shift one side, you can shift this side, 18 52 minus 54, 18a minus 4a. You can shift that side 4a, it will become minus 4a. So in 52 minus 54 goes means minus 2. So in 18a, 4a goes means 14a. That implies 8. So minus 2 divided by 14, 2 ones are, so that is 8 minus 1 by 7. So if they are given in like this form means first you have to take LCM and simplify, then you will get one equation, then you can cross multiply, you know the steps and solve the problem. So many types of simple linear equation, one variable they are given. So most probably all the equations you solve in linear equation, you will at least you will get last only one solution. Okay. So thank you for watching video. So problems in chapter 14a exercise, many problems are there. So you can sit and solve in home. Thank you.